Nickelodeon Team Umizoomi. Umi City Search. It's the Umi alarm. That alarm means someone is in trouble.
Baby chick.
Are missing in Umi City. This looks like a job for Team Umizoomi. Millie, Geo, Bot, and their Umi friend, you. I'm getting a message on my belly screen. Says Bot.
One. Baby chick.
Is at the market. Calling Umi car. Calling Umi car.
Calling Umi car.
Says Millie. Come and get us. Umi car usually zooms.
Calling Umi car.
But uh-oh, Umi car has a flat tire. I can fix that flat with my super shape power, says Geo. I just need a shape that is round like a tire. Which shape should I use? Yeah.
Circle.
Umi car
Calling Umi car.
zooms the team to the Umi City Market.
Baby chick.
I hear the baby chick, declares Bot. The sound is coming from the fruit basket with the numbers
2. 3.
Which fruit basket has the number
2. 3.
Great work
Baby chick.
is in the basket with the apples. Umi-rific, says Millie. We found
1. Baby chick.
how many
Baby chick.
do we still need to find? Asked Bot.
4.
That's right. Bot uses his Umi goggles to search Umi City for the
4.
missing.
Baby chick.
There are
2.
in Umi Forest,
1.
at the Umi City Fountain, and
1.
at the toy store. Come on,
Baby chick.
says Millie. Let's go find your friends. Baby Chick can't fit in Umi car.
Calling Umi car.
Says Bot, we need something to bring him along. I can help, says Geo. He makes a
Baby chick.
wagon with
5.
rectangles.
Rectangle.
He uses
4.
circles for the wheels.
Circle.
Super shapes. Umi car
Calling Umi car.
takes Team Umizoomi and the Baby Chick wagon
Baby chick.
to Umi Forest.
2. Baby chick.
Are on the other side of the creek, says Millie. We need a stick for a bridge. How long must it be to reach over the water? The water is
4.
units across. Millie measure. Which stick is long enough to reach the baby chicks?
Baby chick.
Right, the stick that is
4.
units long. Millie walks across the stick and rescues both baby chicks. Great gigabyte, says Bot. We've rescued
2,
more baby chicks. How many baby chicks have we found? Count with us.
1, 2, 3. Baby chick.
But we still have
2. Baby chick.
left to find. Baby chicks, we're on our way.
Calling Umikar.
Team Umizoomi zooms
Calling Umikar.
to the Umi City fountain. There's a baby chick.
Baby chick.
At the top of the fountain, says Geo. We can help get her down using my super shape power. To fly up to the top of the fountain, Geo makes a kite out of triangles.
Triangle.
A triangle has
3.
sides. How many triangles does Geo need to make his kite?
2.
Great job. We have
4.
baby chick, says Bot. The last
1.
is at the toy store. Hang on to your helmets. Here we go.
Calling Umikar.
The baby chick
Baby chick.
is on the shelf with
1,
monkey,
2,
rubber ducks, and
3.
fire trucks. Do you see a shelf with 1 monkey, 2 rubber ducks, and 3 fire trucks? Excellent. Awesome, says Geo. We found all
5. Baby chick.
Team Umizoomi and Umikar
Calling Umikar.
return the missing baby chicks to their classroom. Millie, Geo, Bot, and the baby chicks are so glad you're on the team. I feel a celebration coming on, says Bot. Everybody crazy shake.